4 quality guarantee, part 5 engineering projects. Now let's come to the first part about us.
Wow, so as you see on the screen, Huayili was established in 1986, located in the lighting capital Zhongshan Guzheng. What you see here is our industrial area, which has, like 200,000 square meters. So big, right?
Yes.
And around 2,000 workers. In the 34 years development, our creed today becomes healthy light, healthy life. To offer good light to improve the life experience is our target.
Based on the growth of our lighting business, we also start investment on property business. We have our own lighting shopping mall called Huayilights Lighting Plaza. This is a new complex building including hotel and lighting showrooms with full range of lighting products for different applications to provide one-stop lighting service. It is a good place especially for lighting consultants to select what they want here. There is one thing you need to wear during your visit.
What is it?
The sunglass.
Okay, why?
Because you can see all the lights here.
Okay. So here comes to our 4 showrooms in the factory. Modern decorative lights, we have displayed hundreds of our original developed products for the wholesalers' selection.
Customized decorative light showrooms. You can find so many customized designs in our showroom, as we will always keep the mock-up sample for projects here.
Alright, indoor architectural lights showroom, which we have displayed full range of products here, covers all lighting projects needed in different applications. And also the outdoor lighting showrooms here. Want to make a fancy garden? Look at these bollards, wall lights, garden lights. I'm sure they can always please you when you walk into our showroom.
How to make these good products? Production capability is our core competitiveness in the industry. To achieve advanced production technology, we have invested lots of equipment such as solder paste printing press machine, SMT machine, digital modeling machine, plug-in machine, auto solder machine.
So many machines.
Yes.
Right.
And we have our own hardware workshop such as laser cutting, milling machine, Turing lathe, auto punching machine, and oven. The oven machine is mostly for the painting. By using 130 degree, the painting can be absorbed on the surface of the metal more evenly. Some machines are imported brands, so every year we need to maintain them good.
Yeah. All this year we have many company honors here, like lab certifications and product certificates. And the main is like, top 10 lighting brand in China. This is a great honor, right? A leading lighting brand in China. The company is ISO 9001 certified as well.
Moreover, Huayili is the first company to have a national lab in Guzheng. Our testing reports are admitted by the international testing parties like SGS, TUV, and etc. This is critical for quality control.
Yes.
With the lab, we have registered our products with the certificates like CE, ETL, BIS, RCM, and so on. As a manufacturer, the coming part is the most important. What products do we have to meet the client's requirement?
Good question. Yes, basically our product type is same as our showroom segment. Architectural lightings, decorative lightings for project. For architectural lightings, we have full range of light fixture to cover all the applications like guest room, public areas like hotel, even like shower area. We have full range of IP65 spotlights to support. And for outdoor lightings, we can mainly divide it into 2 types, landscaping and facade lightings. Landscaping are for the garden, like bullet lights, spike lights, wall lights, set lights, and so on. Facade lighting is mainly to brighten up the elevation of the building. So we have floodlights, wall washer, and in-ground lights for different voltages, for different effects.
Great. Here is our workshop, the assembling line and painting workshop. After production, how to control the quality is critical. We have aging machine to take 100% aging test for every single piece of architectural light. Constant high voltage, low voltage for 48 hours.
Kimi, I think our factory is using very much electricity, right?
Yes.
The cost is very high.
Yes.
And the second type for the project item is customized lightings. For projects, the interior design, furnitures and lightings should be the whole package to match each other. So we are capable to, customize according to the required design.
This is the workshop for customized decorative lighting production. You can see our staff is doing like metal processing, welding, drilling holes, and etc. These are our daily basic work in the metal workshop.
Okay, so far we are happy that you are still here because the introduction might be a little boring. But it's very important. The introduction might, but it's very important for you to understand about our background, our production capability, and our product categories. So our final goal is to cover the maximum light required in any of your projects.
Yes, nice conclusion. Next, we will introduce you a real project we have done to analyze what products we use and how is the final effect. Okay, so what is the progress to support our project clients? Basically, you can see the below process.
So first of all, to understand the design requirement, I think this is a very basic things. Communication is very, very important. You can share the project design, CAD or any rendering images to us so we can get ready to support anytime. And second, deepening the proposal. This is a critical part which I will introduce later. And mockup is a very important. As you know, we can see the final effect through the mockup, right? So we don't suggest to skip any mockup process.
Later on, after we get feedback from customers, then we can submit the revised version and start the mass production. From some projects which are big and complicated, maybe you will need some support at site. Don't worry, the sales team and technical person can do the installation guidance at site to ensure the installation goes smoothly and finish. However, this part will be discussed before decision as cost is high to travel abroad.
Okay, so second part is the most important. Deepening the proposal by technical support. But how to do it, right? First of all is you can see we have around 30,000 items for the architectural lightings. So we can basically cover what the project required. If the specification of our standard is not matching, then we can adjust the the parameters like power or CCT, something like that to make it suitable. Customization service also available in the architectural lightings, but it happens only when the clients need a very huge quantity on one product.
Okay. Customization service mainly happen on the decorative light also. For example, this item we provided to a shopping mall in Mumbai, India.
Okay.
The client find the original concept from Europe and offered us a sketch. Later on, we work on the shop drawings, consider the relative space.
Looks very good, this light. And finally, the drawing was approved by the clients, and so we can run the mock-up. You can see the single glass is actually a fish design. So all the fishes, they just jumping together into a flow. This creativity later on become a main element in a fashion show.
Looks amazing, Albert. We are happy to see our work shows up in some society activities. This is amazing. I think customization service is important, but we have also other design service for the client.
So what are they? So we'll come to this part.
Yeah.
Yes, like the architectural lightings, we can do the lux calculation to see if the brightness is enough according to the international standard. So here is one indoor lighting simulation result. From this simulation, we can check if the lighting effect is suitable. And by the way, Kimi, you can also see the lighting effect before you buy the light. Isn't it fantastic?
Yes, I think so.
You don't need to spend some money, but you can see the effect.
I can see the effect firstly.
Yeah.
Okay. And we also can create a facade design for the building like this. And landscaping via dialogues.
Okay, so the calculation is all possible for indoor and also outdoor. But after the effect is approved, then we can provide the product selection and the quantity calculation. This is also very important because the clients, after he see the effects, he always want to ask how much I need to pay for this effect, right? So we also have this kind of service, but they are paid service. Okay, so after all this, we would like to use a real project as an example to help you to better understanding our products.
If you can see here, these are the brands we use to cooperate, like National Projects G20 Hangzhou, Disneyland Hotel, Hyatt Sheraton, and so on.
Wow, they are big brand, very big brand.
Yes.
Such as JW Marriott in Dubai. This is almost like 6-star hotels in the world. St. Regis Hotel in Maldives. This is the first St. Regis hotels there. So today we would like to share with you some villa projects. Kimi, you are the expert in villa project, I know.
Don't say that.
You build lots of people's home. So in addition to hotel projects, our company will also take on many other types of products, such as villas, shopping malls, and so on. For different projects, we will have different lighting skills.
Today, our topic is villa lighting, and we will share some useful tips during lighting selections in this specified occasion. In villa projects, lighting can be divided into 3 parts: indoor commercial lighting, indoor customized lighting, and outdoor lighting. We will start to introduce our tips with experience in turns. Before choosing lamps, we need to make it clear, what do you want from home? Albert, when you think of your home, what do you want?
This is a very difficult question. In my opinion, when somebody mentions home, people always think about, we have our family waiting for us at home, right? So it's something like warmth, sense of belonging, and comfort, I think.
Exactly, you're right. So during the lighting selection for home, we need to keep these 3 senses in our minds.
Okay, so as I know, commercial lightings can be separated into 3 big parts. Something, like basic functional lightings, and the lightings for working place, such as a kitchen or desk, accent lighting as well. So Kimi, how can we achieve these 3 senses? I mean, like the warmth, belongings, and comforts by choosing the products.
Okay, well, 4 key points are listed here as tips. Look at the screen.
Okay, so the uniform color temperature is important. Luminaire optics should have anti-glare treatment. Combination of basic lightings and accent lightings based on different application. So Kimi, I'm still confused. For example, I want to know which color temperature is the best to select for a house, and how do I achieve the second point, and how to combine the basic lighting and the accent lighting.
Okay, stop.
Very difficult.
Stop. Albert, calm down. We will explain them one by one with pictures and examples. So please don't be such hurry.
You have to teach me. Okay, take your time.
Now we come to the first part. There are some open areas in our house, such as living room, dining room, corridor, and so on. The color temperature should be uniform to keep the space more harmonious, and it should be chosen in accordance with the building.
I agree with that. The decoration in my home is, partial Chinese style. So our home used 2700 K as the color temperature in the public area. And the light is very, harmonious with the furniture.
Yes, you got the point, Albert. Normally in our country, people prefers 2700 K if their house is Chinese style.
Why?
2700 K in Chinese furniture provides a upscale feeling in atmosphere.
Wow. Okay.
But now, there are also many young people who pursue a minimalist European style of decoration. In this case, they will choose the color temperature above 3000 K instead.
Okay, Timmy. Actually, I want to know the visible, comparison of different frequently used color temperature, because and our clients will be more intuitive to choose the appropriate color temperature for their homes.
Okay, Albert. For example, this is one of our villa projects. The color temperature is 3000 K. And what does 3000 K color temperature give us? Create warm atmosphere, make people comfortable, make food seems more delicious.
Wow, hearing this, like me, I want to replace the lamps in my home with all 3000 K immediately.
Why?
Do you have the lamps?
I don't. Albert, hold on. I remember you said you would replace the Chinese furniture in your house with European furniture, right? In this case, 4000 K is also a good choice. As you can see here, 4000 K is especially suitable for light and fresh decoration style, and it's easier to create a clean and tidy atmosphere because 4000 K is regarded as the closest color to natural light.
Sounds reasonable, and thank you for your suggestion. Also, I think I need some lamps in 5000 K because 5000 K is normally a better choice for kitchen, desk or some other working place. Do you agree?
Yes, that's what I'm going to say. Now, I think we have already finished the explanation of color temperature. And here is the second tips. We'd better choose lower UGR light to enhance the comfortable feeling at home.
Okay. So talking about UGR, I need to explain here. UGR is an international standard to evaluate if a light is comfortable or not after your installation. So many lighting companies and lighting designers are no strangers. But Kimi, and you tell a little about it because maybe there are some project owners in our studio.
Sure, let's look at the left picture. We can see UGR can be categorized into 5 degrees. In general, we consider 19 as a dividing line. When the UGR exceeds 19, it is regarded as an unacceptable index for human being, and from 16 to 19 is regarded as acceptable index. From 13 to 16, comfortable index. 10 to 13 just felt the glare, but the feeling is not strong. 6 to 10, free from glare.
Okay, I need 6 to 10. Okay.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. And pay attention to the angle here, which called lamp shielding angle. And the structure of the luminaire will affect the angular dimension. Shielding angle can decide the range of glare, while shielding angle reaches 30 to 45 degrees. The range of the glare will be less. And in this application, we have one special series called MR16 can achieve glare-free.
MR16 is here.
Yes.
You are prepared.
Yes, Albert. It is your time to introduce our new series for clients.
Okay, so I can select any of it, right? So I can choose this one. As you see here, this one is the most commonly used type for all of the project, I think, because you see this is a a secondary reflection type. And the most important is you can see the design. Okay, so this design is very unique, only from us, from Huayi. And we have an angle here, which can be adjusted. And the most important thing is this one is very easy for maintenance. Why? Because from the front we can remove the lamp, the light source. So it means after the installation, you don't need to damage the ceiling and change the lights. Very easy.
Yes.
So any other points to make up, Kimi?
Yes, the MR16 series is a family that we developed specially for require high-end projects, and its usage coverage is very wide because the voltage range is from 7 to 42 watt, while beam angle covers 10 to 38 degree. In other words, MR16 can meet with all indoor areas except washroom because it is IP20.
And although the standard voltage is wide, 7, 9, 12, 15, 20, 28, 42. We use only 3 sides of the lamp bodies here. You can see. Like this range is the same size, and this one is the middle size. This one is the biggest. The smallest size is only, diameter is only 82 mm. The medium size is 110 mm. The biggest size is 135 mm. So this range is super suitable for like some hotels or some villa projects.
Yeah, I think the constructor should like this series because the cutout side is easier to uniform.
Not only that, the plenty kinds of the bevels here you can see. We have a square type and the oval hole type, and also the trimless type and the secondary reflection type. So we have many options here for you. And like the trimless type and the square versions are also available to meet some special requirement from designers or from the clients.
Yes, I see. Wow, sounds cool. But we need to pay attention that only this option just for this smallest lamp body, 7 to 12 watt, and for the remaining 2 sizes, we only have 2 common choices, adjustable or fixed. And Albert, as I know, we have one more special selling point for the smallest size in the installation structure, right? As you just mentioned before, but I want you to explain more details for our clients.
Okay, so for this smallest size body, this one, which is widely used in many kinds of projects, considering the easy maintenance for user. So our R&D team already considered this, which I also have introduced before the camera. It can be disassembled from the front. And by the way, what? This reflector can be also, removed. But this is a whole part, a complete part for the lamp source. It means you can have different colors of this reflector. Right?
Yes.
You have different colors, different finishing, and the most important thing is, just like I said, you don't need to damage the ceiling, but change the driver or change the lamp.
Yes.
This is very important for the maintenance
times. Yes. Regarding to the humanized structure designs, as we mentioned before, MR16 can achieve UGR less than 6, which means glare-free, and the filter accessories can be DIY by clients, such as honeycomb and cross anti-glare component.
Wow, so we have many options here, like different bevels, so you can select honeycomb.
Yes.
Wow.
And 4 beam angles are available according to the special uses. Albert, and about the voltage, how can we decide which voltage should be used in our home?
Well, that's a good question, Kimmy. Voltage should be chosen based on the height of the floor. Just like on the screen you can see. Normally for villa projects, 7 to 12 watts is enough because the ceiling height is around 3 meters just like here. But for the other higher areas, 15 and 20 watts are recommended. Like 28 and 42 watts. This is even special, right? We can use a very high hotel hall, like 3 floors height. So we suggest to use them in 8 to 6 meters floors.
Now let us see the video of MR16 to finish the brief introduction of it and move on to next part.
Okay, let's see it.
And Asian lighting.
Kimmy, how can we achieve the Asian lighting?
Asian lighting can be achieved by adding some small bin angle of spotlights, for example, to light up the artwork or the painting. And it can be also achieved by decorative lights.
Okay.
Tip 4. Add atmosphere's lights to outline the space. Atmosphere's light is very important in villas projects as well. Strip lights is usually used to realize warm feeling for people, and strip light can be divided into AC type and DC type. DC type is always recommended because DC 12 volt and DC 24 volt are regarded as safe voltage and harmless to human body. Albert, where can we use LED strip light in our home?
I have to say many places. The most, strip lights have infinite applications when it comes to the interior decoration. We can use this light up the wardrobe, the cabinets, the drawers, kitchen and living space. Wardrobe lighting is a must in every home. Consider you are a girl, right?
Yes.
If you use a wardrobe light to bright up your clothes, wow, very wonderful. It provides clear visibility and adds visual appeal to the interiors. And this well-focused task lighting with high CRI helps select suitable clothing for the right occasions. LED lights in wardrobe not only help in the lighting, but also finding the clothing, jewelry, or some accessories that you are looking for at home. It also can be used to light up the stairs. You must have it in your home. It will offer amazing light effects.
Now, let me introduce our LED strip light to you. We have different kind of LED strip lights. 4 watt, 6 watt, 8 watt, 10 watt, 12 watt per meter. And we also have neon strip light in 10 and 20 watt. For our regular items, we use San-An and Epistar chips.
Okay.
We accept customized according to the client's requirement as well. Dimmable and non-dimmable are available. All have IP20, IP65 and IP68 type. We suggest that client can use IP65 strip light in indoor area, which can prevent dust. Yes.
Dust.
Yes. Dust.
Not only dust. Okay.
Okay, you can see this one is IP65.
So, Kimi, you see, I have one question. Many clients, he asked me, you know, like, Albert, do you have some dotless type of the strip lights? That means, I mean, like, you can see we have many chips here, right? So can we increase the intensity of the chips, or you know, just...
Yes, actually the intensity of chips, regular we have 60 chips per meter or 120 chips per meter. Our client can choose based on his requirements accordingly.
Okay, so can we also do RGB on the chips?
Yes, sure. RGB or RGBW is available for the strip light.
Okay. But RGB strip light we'll never use in interior, right? Unless you want to dance.
Yes.
Okay, so these strip lights are embedded into a LED profile, which come in different shapes and size to suit the user's need, and covered by PC diffusers here. It can make installation more convenient, avoiding the falling after long-term use.
Yes.
And ensure the perfect light effect. And regarding to the aluminum profile we show here, such as square profile, recessed profile, and 45-degree profile, to meet all kind of application requirement. We have a box here. Maybe we can show in front of the camera.
Yes.
Okay.
Please, Albert. You're so kind.
Okay, so you can see all the aluminum profile here. You can see we have different shape and different width, right? Different, and also we have a bigger one. We have a bigger one and smaller one. But most of the clients, they will select to use something, you know, very normal, because a very normal shape. I mean like this one or this one, because the profile is using, you know, like recess into a wall, or you will use it into a cove, so you never see it. But you know, because we have many options here, so all the applications we have to, you know, match the client's requirements.
Okay, thank you, Albert. And during the selection of the lights, here we come to the final tips according to different types of IP class. We should use correct IP class lights in various types of areas. For example, for bathroom, there will be water or spray in the area. IP20 light is not enough for waterproof, and the lifetime will be shortened while it is used in the moist area.
Okay.
We should use IP65 downlight as better choice.
For IP65 downlights, we have one hot-selling series, the Oceanus series. It's widely used in most of our projects, especially for bathroom area.
Yes.
So look at the video for this series, please. Please play the video for us. Okay.
对，是这一页。
Okay, so the appropriate color temperature can provide the warmth. Lower UGR lamps can make people feel comfort. How about the sense of belongings? Wow, this word belonging is a very special word. So what can we do for this part?
Sense of belonging is more easier to control and comes from our own feelings, not mainly professional skills. So we can choose the decorative light we like. Suppose I buy some customized decorative lights in my home. All of them are produced according to my concept. I feel I am the true owner of my home.
Okay.
So now we can move to the second part of villa lighting, customized lighting.
Okay, so the decorative lights can create an accent atmosphere in home, as we mentioned before. Because normally I feel like decorative lighting is only for some big project like hotel, right, or shopping malls. But also, like you said, home also needs something special, some special elements. The type of them, the type of the decorative lights is infinite because we said we can customize the lights. And how can we forward the proposal in this part?
This is the brief introduction. We conclude. We will illustrate each point one by one in following pages.
Okay. Kimi, what do you mean basic information here?
Firstly, we need to get some basic documents of the villa. Plan view CAD and vertical view CAD are necessary for us to have a rough idea of the overall structure of the villa. Besides, we also need some side pictures to deepen the understanding of architectural structure in our mind, because we cannot see the scene in person. These materials are very important for our future lighting design work. In addition, we need clients' preliminarily lamp design concepts such as decoration style of building, European classic style, European minimalist style, court style, or other style. This is decisive with the style of lamp we choose.
Wow, actually this is an example from one of our projects. You can see on the screen. And this is the plan view of the villa. From the CAD file, we can get how many floors of the villa and the height of each floor, the location of the different area with their different dimensions, and in each specified area, clients also share the site pictures for our reference. These are the pictures for the main stairs located in the middle of the villa. This house must be very luxury. And from the pictures, actually there is a hollow canopy above the stairs. So from the CAD, we can see the main stairs are an eye-catching place. When I come to the house, I go in the gate, right? The first sight is the stairs. So when the guests see it as soon as the guests can see it when they just come into the house. Besides basic functional spotlights or downlights, special and eye-catching decorative lighting should be installed here.
You're right. The client also shared the preferable decoration style pictures for us. From the picture, we can feel client preferred European style and the color temperature is quite bright. So maybe we can choose some decorative light with the combination of classic and modern feeling here at the beginning.
Kimi, even we feel the clients wants the lights in European style or modern style, how can we choose proposal to meet his requirement directly? These are the there are numerous decorative lightings in this kind of styles.
Albert, take it easy. To be honest, the definite proposal needs to be settled under several times communication between clients and us. Now the current stage is only the beginning of giving proposal. What we need to do is giving some lights with different elements such as crystal, glass, ceramic, and so on, with different designs as a reference for client.
Very reasonable. So we put forward some proposals for the canopy decorative lights. Some of them are from the actual project we have done, and some of them are from the internet. Actually, internet we can have many information. These proposals cover different shapes and elements. After a certain shape of or element is selected, we'll continue to look for the lamp with similar shapes to finalize the proposal for our clients.
These two proposals actually are customized lights for other hotel projects we took part in. Look at the middle one. It is luxury and the main material is crystal and it is a big scale light. Maybe you think it is not so appropriate to be used in villa projects, but customized lamps, as the name suggests, we can adjust the size and scale of lamps for clients according to the one on-site environment. If clients want these designs, we will advise clients to reduce the layers to make it more harmonious for villa project. The same principle, like the lamp on the right, is the shape of ellipse, but we can also adjust for the circular shape according to this villa project.
Apart from the main decorative lights in the stair area, is there any other lights to be added?
We also give wall lights proposal here for client selection. Same operation, different elements such as crystal or glass and different designs. In the living hall in the second floor, we also give some proposals like this.
Okay, Kimi, if the client chooses one initial proposal, how do we move forward to finalize the proposal, please?
For example, for living hall, after we share these proposals, we get clients' comments that he prefers this kind of lamp, clear material with some layers. So, we share more similar proposals for clients and luckily, client choose one of them and then we can deepen the proposal in drawing. At the same time, if client have some extra requirements, we need to combine them into the drawing. For this lamp, client clarifies that he wants all metal parts in this order should be in same color as bronze. So we mark down in the drawing.
Okay, so before the clients confirm the order, he will also, propose something he wants, right? Color finishing, material, all elements. So after the clients confirm the order, the technical team will give drawings for showing the details of the lamp, such as dimension, material, structure, and color temperature, make everything clear.
Yes.
Meanwhile, we will confirm the color and small samples such as a crystal shape or glass shape with the clients before production.
And when we get the initial approval of the drawing, we will start to arrange some samples or color plates if needed. Once all of the details confirmed, we will do the mass production according to the client's signed drawing. This is the basic process of our customized lamps.
Okay. Kimi, I think making a customized lamp is a fantastic thing. Just like having a baby. Oh my God. It's a process from 0 to 1. So at the beginning, we have no ideas what our clients want. But at the end, we produce something real. So the client is satisfied with it.
I think so.
Yeah.
That we always describe our team as magician.
Good word. Good word.
Do you want to know more amazing thing?
Yeah, like what?
For the outdoor part, our team also can decorate outdoor part of the villa with a snap of fingers.
Snap of fingers. Really? Sounds very cool. Please go ahead.
Fine. Outdoor lighting always contains facade and landscaping. We have various types of products which can meet with clients' different requirements. Clients can choose lamps from our catalogs directly according to the different uses. And this is based on our client who already have clear concept of facade and landscaping design.
How about some complex lightings, or clients want proposal with, sense of design? What should they do?
If client wants proposal with sense of design, also our team can take this task, but it will be charged as a rechargeable service.
Just looking at the text here is not enough, I think, for better understanding for the clients. So we are going to explain one of our projects as an example. This is another villa project we ever participated in. The clients wanted us to give a solution. Similar as customized decorative lights, we also need some basic information from the clients, such as just now we said the CAD files for plan view and elevations, and the other necessary documents is the rendering image in the daytime. As we know, generally, people start to buy the lights before the building is finished, because this is, always the last part of a building, right? So if we need to make a solution, the current scenes picture are not applicable. So rendering picture plays a crucial role for this stage. Yes.
And before starting the design, we need to know some basic requirements from clients, such as requested color temperature, which part does client want to light up as the important locations.
Wow, like magic. Our team will light up the whole villa using a snap of fingers, just like turn on the lights, please. And these rendering pictures will be shared to the clients. Most of the time, we'll get the comments for small modification, and we will consider is it feasible and reasonable according to our experience. Once the updated rendering picture are confirmed by the clients, we will mark down all the specific lamps in a relative location.
And build of quantity will be given like the right picture. Order will be confirmed according to client's budget. And before this, we will communicate the feasibility of installation for all of lamps. We need clients checking on site to confirm the BOQ, because till now, all data come from the documents. Our team is not able to check on site. Client will play an important role here.
Wow, okay. So to ensure the lighting effect, we'll also arrange some sample for mock-up. This is important, right, on site. So, so we can design the rationality of our proposal.
Hearing this, you may have a clearer understanding of the lighting in the villa. For our team, these are all daily work. More professional details are not included in this profile. If you have projects that need our participation, please do not hesitate to contact us. And we will do our best to help our clients solve the lighting problems with our expertise.
Wow, Kimi. So happy time flies and it's time to say goodbye. What else would you like to say to our friends?
Well, I think this is not enough for them, so I would like to disclose the coming topic for our next shows.
What is it?
Don't be such hurry, okay? Our colleagues will introduce other types of projects for us. Please keep an eye on us.
Okay, thank you.
Good day, guys. This is Serena. We are so happy to see you here again.
Hello, I'm Alex. Thank you for watching our live broadcast for Kingdom Fest here.
Yes, today we are not going to introduce about our company because in the few days we have displayed full range of our product and also our company information.
Yes.
And if you want to know more about our company, you can check our playback for the last few days or contact our sales right now. And later on, we'll go deep into some of the projects to show you what we are capable of. And we might also show some products here and discuss how we can meet the demand in projects.
Yes. Okay, let's begin.
Yeah. And you can see here, these are the brands we used to cooperate, like the National Project, G20 in Hangzhou City, Disneyland Hotel, Hyatt, Sheraton, Marriott Hotel, and so on.
Of course. So now we would like to use a real project we have done and as examples to help you guys to know better about our company and our product.
Yeah, let's go ahead. This is a shopping mall project in Africa. The whole story starts from beginning of this year only. So we received the exterior design of shopping mall from our clients and asked to us to offer whole lighting solution for the outdoor facade lighting. Yeah, now we can see this is the front elevation. This is the most important facade to attract the customers and also build up an attractive view.
Yes.
And Huayilights Lighting delivers a cost-effective, sustainable solution that has a positive impact on both visitors and the employees.
Yes. So, as we mentioned above, firstly, we offer random pictures for facade lighting based on design from clients.
Wow, Alex, it's like a rainbow effect.
Yes.
Yeah, could you please share with us ideas about this effect? How will it be like this?
Sure. Facade lighting should engage customers and tourists with unique visual experience, create an inviting atmosphere, and stimulate business investment and commerce.
Yeah.
So we hope to create something active, not static. Rainbows is always a good symbol for changing.
Yeah.
And so here is a design we create and customer approved.
That looks so really wonderful.
Yes.
So what we will do next? I'm glad to hear that rendering image was approved once, right? And this can save a lot of work and also the time.
Yes. So next step, I think we should offer proposal according to the design from clients based on our existing items. Sometimes we need to modify the specifications to meet the client's requirement, which is acceptable.
Yeah.
Then after that, we have to do the calculations about the quantity. This is also important. As you know, the quantity direct decides the amount cost.
Yeah.
One thing is we also need to control the light pollution through the quantity control. Next, we will introduce the items we use in this project one by one.
Okay, so Alice, I noticed that there are two kinds of linear light used in
Yes.
this project, right? So why don't we just choose one kind instead of two types to make them more uniform and also more convenient for the production?
Good question, Serena.
Okay.
So when we design lighting, it must be based on the architectural feature. The different products have different function like lamp, though they are both linear lights, but there are big difference between them.
Wow. So please show us the details, Alex.
Of course. So we can see the roof structure here at point 2. This area is pretty narrow, so we want to show the drawing of the outline of the roof. So we can create a effect to show the project clearly at night.
Wow.
So we use a linear light and chose 3000 K color temperature.
Wow, seems very interesting. And also, the small size of linear light is perfect for the narrow area,
Yeah.
just like what you talked just before. And it's made of anti-UV PC diffuser,
Yes.
right? And it will not get yellow easily by the time.
Yes.
Also, IPCC5. This we will have samples to see here. Maybe I get close to the video.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So you can better understand about our product.
Yes. So besides, the cable can be hid in back sink of the body.
Yes, here.
So what's more, we make PC end caps so that the light can go through the end cap, which means it will go darker area between two fixtures.
So, what a careful design, right?
Yes.
For these products. So, what about the other one?
Well, for other one, so linear lights, we can also call it wall washer light.
Wow, yeah.
At beginning, we want to use the same linear lights same as the roof. But we realized that the whole lamp has been installed many aluminum modules. This is the installed location for this area. But the linear lights unable to be fixed on the top of the aluminum frame.
Yeah.
Instead, we chose this wall washer light. We can call it wall washer light.
Yes.
And with shield, of course. So it will install beside the aluminum frame. but the light will be reflected from the frame of the next one.
Wow, that's very fantastic. So, and also the idea is very good.
Yes.
Because sometimes we don't need to directly see the light, and instead we want to see the reflection only.
Yes, of
so
course.
that's what we call is indirect light. And
Yes.
many projects now will apply the same effect.
Yes, agree.
It's very popular now. Yeah.
So the front elevation is very important. So we choose these linear lights with shield. The shield will prevent from glare for inside of a building through the glass.
Wow, that's very cool.
Yes. So here's a simulation effect for RGB. With DMS control, we can create some normal programming like tracing, jumping, and color changing from bottom to the top. And we could also grabbing some like pictures and words as well.
Wow, that's really flexible. So, and also you will be wonder if we can see the real effect after this project is finished. I really wanted to see. And the next one is water light, right?
Yes.
In this project, and the fixture will install under the roof to brighten up the whole real area to under the roof, which will create a fading layer for this area. Lighting effect is important, right? But same as the fixture itself, as you know, Alex. Good light not only come from good products, also some effects important. So let us introduce this product for you guys right now. This series has a wide range power from 18 watt to 48 watt to meet different kinds of demands. And the body are made of aluminum glass. Maybe and Alex,
I'm sure.
Show to our audience. These LED chips now we use is OSRAM, and for the outdoor items we used to make low voltage for longer lifespan, and it can be controlled by a remote control driver. And the brand we are cooperating is Mean Wheel Driver, which can offer 5 years warranty. And this item definitely is IPCC5 for outdoor usage for a long time. And also, the regular beam angle for this item, we can have 15 degrees to 60 degrees to meet various demands of different applications.
Yes.
Also, at the end cap, maybe you just mentioned, we have developed our tuning for the end cap, which is more distinguished to promote our own company image. If some clients leave their logo on the OEM service, we can change it very easily as well.
Yes,
so
very
that
interesting.
they can print their own logo here.
Yeah. So next we'll focus on the back side of the connector cable is just in perfect length. So no more, no less, just in perfect length.
Yes.
So one more thing, the back end design so can allow the cable to hide. We cannot see any cables after installation is done. So the high manganese steel brackets strong support to the lamp body, which allowed adjustability to 180 tiny angles. And allow is more possibility on the applications.
Yeah, this is very good to hide this, and also for a better appearance of this product.
Yes.
And what's more, as you can see here, the picture, when we collect the two fixtures together, the distance between the LED chips of different pictures are exactly same as the chip distance in the wall washer itself, which means there's no dark shadow area between the two fixtures when we collect this together. And this is very important in the application, Alex, because now we are not using the individual linear light, but also collect them together as usual in different applications.
Yes, totally agree.
Yeah.
So the light source can, with different special lengths, to get various beam angles from 3 degrees, which is pretty narrow.
Yeah, extremely narrow.
Yes. To 60 degrees.
Yeah.
And asymmetric degrees as well. And with this length, we can create different light effect. And we can also use this product in any location we want.
Wow, that is very considerable.
Yes. So here is a real effect for a different beam angle from 24 watt. The left one is asymmetric 10 degree by 60 degree. and the middle one is 15 degree. The last one is 60 degree.
Wow, Alex, I can see clearly the wall texture.
Yes, this kind of lighting method.
Wow.
When we put the wall washer very close to the wall, the light can be shown protruded part very clearly.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of same applications in parks or ancient building project.
Wow, so I have learned a lot from this product.
Me too.
And for the regular size, we have 300 millimeter in 500 millimeter and 1000 millimeters for different applications to provide you with a whole set solution.
Yes. So you know, Serena,
Yeah.
so many parameters here. You know, digital is so boring.
Yeah, maybe
So-
our audience will feel, oh, I can only check the one physical one.
Yes.
I can't see the real details.
Yes.
Yeah.
So could you show us some videos?
Okay, so we finished the video of this product. Here we come to the next item,
Yes.
the in-ground uplight. As you can see from the picture, the height of the pinion in the left side is 3.6 meters high. So we use 12 watt and 30-degree beam angle to bright up the pinion.
Yes. So what about the right side? I can see that the height is pretty higher than the left.
Yes, it got very considerable observation of that. Yeah, the pinion height in the right side is over 7 meters.
Oh.
That means we have to use some higher power like 24 watt or more, and also lateral beam angle, which is 15 degree only to bright
Okay.
up the pinion.
Okay, all right. I see. So as we know, the beam angle is more narrow. Light can be casted to a further distance, just like a flashlight.
Yes. And one more item, there is a dome at the top of the building. The clients want consumer to see it from far distance. So we propose this floodlight in 36 watt to bright up the whole area up.
Yes. So Serena, could you introduce this product to our friends?
Sure, let's go ahead now. This series are made of aluminum and temporary glass, and power we can cover from 12 watt to 48 watts. Again, we make it wide beam angle and from 3 degree to 60 degree IP65.
Yes.
And the built-in driver make this feature can be installed easily.
Yes. So it's made of aluminum and the super smooth tough end of the glass. The super smooth glass is prevent from the dust on the surface. Backheat dissipation introduction to make sure the fixtures have a long lifespan. You might notice that there is our logos at the back of the light. Yes, you can put your logos here as well. And besides, you will not find any screws at surface at all. Such a neat design, we design plastic rings to hide the screw. That my partner to show you guys about.
Now I'll show you here.
Yes. We always focus on the details to pursue the perfections. This is what Hua is doing.
Okay, let's now come back.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly this is what we are doing. We are
Yes.
always pursuing the perfection and also the lighting effect.
Yes. So under the base, there are two holes. As you can see the pictures, what are they used for? One is for power supply cable, and another backup hole is for damage controls cable. And we fix the cable with two screws to achieve the anti-pulling function.
Really well done.
So direction of the fixtures can be adjusted as well, like 90 degrees in vertical direction and 360 degrees in horizontal direction.
Yes, and Alex, as I've seen so many products have the same design, right?
Really?
But such a delicate one I have never
Wow.
seen. See the scale there, so we can get an accurate angle for what we need.
Yes, you're right.
In some cases, also clients wants anti-glare function.
Yes.
So we design some optical accessories as well,
Wow.
such as annual grid and shading sitting layer and shading cape.
Yes.
And we can get anti-glare function by fixing these accessories. Also, we can put honeycomb lover
yeah.
inside of the fixture to achieve the anti-glare function. It's very fabulous.
Yes. So for installation accessories, we make much effort on it. For 12-watt small one,
Yes.
we make a spike on it, as you can see here.
Wow.
So it can be used as a spike light and to bright up a tree like 1 to 2 meters.
Wow, good. And for the bigger sizes, maybe we don't have sample to
Yes.
show here. It's 80 watt to 48 watt. We make pulling for that, I mean the pole. So we know that a big tree will be surrounded by some
Yes.
small trees. So with this pulling, our light can bright up the tree in the higher space without covering any of the small trees.
Yes. So what's more, we have a higher polling and you can install many pieces of light on it. To get light on different directions, guess what? We can use it as a street light.
That's very fabulous. Really, I think it can be the street light. And with the hard tree components, we can fix it on the tree as well.
Yeah.
Because now many projects have such requirement for the landscaping lighting.
So we can use only one kind of light to complete most of a landscaping project. So is it amazing?
Sure, it's amazing. So if you want to know more about this series, please contact our sales to find more possibility.
Okay, so Serena, what you want to show our friends?
Yeah, all this is on paper only.
Yes.
We are going to show you guys with some real big deal.
Okay, so this is a fact for a 24 watt in 8-degree beam angle. So we compare it with the 70 watt the halogen light, and you can see that our fixtures can bright up more area than the on the wall than the halogen light.
Yes, all very obviously can check. And also there is the effect of 24 watt with 8-degree fixture as well. It can bright up the whole tree, which is 6 meters high.
Wow.
Yeah, just only one light.
And this is 36 watt in 8 degrees effect. So it projects like up to the 50 meters away, and the centers of light spot, the lumen can up to 12 lumen, which is still meet the industrial standard of a landscaping.
Remarkable. Okay, let's go to the other project to see what we have done of the decorative light.
Yes.
I can't wait to sit down.
This is a shopping mall called Phoenix City Market in Lucknow, India.
Wow.
Lucknow is one of the fastest growing city and the economic and political capital of the Uttar Pradesh in India. And the Phoenix City Market is one of the largest shopping malls in Lucknow.
Yes, I have heard of this.
Yes, we supplied all the decorative light to them.
Fantastic jobs.
And here is a location plan for the decorative light that we get from the clients. We can see that the client has 6 different areas: atrium, linear atrium, central atrium, and the lift lobby, entrance as well, and the washroom.
Wow, so many different areas.
Yes.
And when we entering a mall, the first thing that catches our eye is atrium.
Yes.
A good atrium can improve the quality and the grade of the entire mall.
Yes.
So for the atrium, of course, the light cannot be very stupid.
Yes. On the other hand, if the lighting design fails, the high-end shopping mall will look cheap.
Yes.
And the beautiful decorations will lose its luster and the texture.
Yes. And for this project, client wants some crystal elements to make it look more luxury.
Yes.
And different layers designs. So he finally chose this design, and we suggest to use some coconut crystal to match the main color of the shopping mall. Because in projects, we now consider decoration, interior design, consider the whole package to harmonize with each other. So we maintain the uniform of the decorative lighting by using this kind of coconut crystal of this shopping mall. And finally, the approval was approved.
Okay, so everything goes smoothly, right?
No, dear.
Oh.
Yes, this is the story. When we arrived at the site with our technical team, we found that the pre-emptied road are not matching the whole of the ceiling. Which means that we are unable to fix the base on ceiling.
Okay. So, how do we solve this problem?
Firstly, we cut part of the original road and then welded another banging rod on it. It means that which is matched to the whole of plate. Finally, we get it done.
Well done.
Yeah.
I believe that must be a tough work. So, but I'm so glad we worked it out.
Yeah, we always have many solutions for different applications. Don't worry about this.
Yes.
So for another light for the trim area, the clients has their own design, but we think looks empty at the bottom.
Yes, it looks like
because some light source can be seen very easily. So we suggest to add more elements at the bottom. So clients want to add some metal parts and second layer for the chandelier. Here is the final effect of this chandelier, so you can check what is the meaning and also what is the function of this item.
Okay, I know the size for this one are quite big as well.
Yes.
So, any story about this one?
Yes, you always want to listen more story. I believe our audience do. The problem happened before installation for this item. When we arrived at the site, we think the existing frame might be unable to bear the weight for this chandelier. So we asked them to weld more stainless steel frame, and we bought more steel wire ropes to hold chandelier. Again, we worked it out.
Good job.
Yeah.
So send our technical team to the site to do the installation guidance is necessary.
Totally agree with you. So the entire mall take the style of European continent. In retail corridor, they want to offer consumer feel like walking in the royal garden. So they want some big name like the lantern in garden. Yeah, here is the design they want, but the size really large. But we make it exactly same as the rendering view below. Last picture we have showed the final effect, you can see.
Yeah, it's like a giant candelabra in the sky. Don't you think?
I totally agree with you. You have a very smart metaphor. That is exactly the design client wants. The next one is the chandelier in the lobby. Still crystal element, because as we talked before, the owner likes the element of the crystal. So these are the client's customer design. There are 3 layers according to the height of the lobby. We think that 2 layers is more suitable.
Yes. It's a very classic design. Any problem during installation?
No. For this one, everything goes very smoothly, except the local worker didn't test the bulb before install the crystal. We found that some bulbs are not working, so we have take the crystal out and test the bulb and then install the crystal again.
Okay, so here's a friendly tips for our friends. Test the light bulb before you install crystals.
Yeah, it's very necessary to check the function.
Okay.
Yeah. And here comes to another area, the washroom. A well-designed bathroom always the one welcome the style and the comfort at any area in mall.
Yes.
First, pendant light overhead for general lights, and customer insist to use some crystal element also
crystal
for this.
Again.
Yeah. So we changed the acrylic diffuser to the crystal one.
Okay. So some accent task lighting is necessary to light up the vanity areas, which is mirror light. The main function for is light up the face. Obviously, the original design can achieve the design effect. So we suggest to use this item on either side of the mirrors.
Yes.
So matte frame with a glass diffuser to offer even light to light the face without any shadows.
Yes, I don't want to see the shadows on my beautiful face.
Yes. To make a bathroom experience more comfortable.
Yes.
So this is the final effect. We took the pictures after we finished installation in the local site.
Oh, really attractive.
Yes.
This picture are sent from our clients, and they're also satisfied with this.
Yes.
I believe. For us, we are so glad to see our lights are still working very perfectly. But we will keep providing good service for our clients as well. Afterward, this is what we do, and what we will do it very well.
Yes.
Okay, guys, today our talk is going to finish here. You can click below button and start a conversation with our colleague immediately. Let us know your project requirements and see how we can support. Oh, don't forget our promotion.
Yes.
During the Canon Fair live broadcast time, we will get 10% off. Yeah, when the order amount is over $20,000 US and reach our basic MOQ. And if the time is too tight, and you can still get 60%.
60%?
6%.
Okay.
Off. And for the order amount is over $20,000 US from 26 to July 5th.
Yes. And if you want to know more about our companies, you can follow us in the social medias
Platform.
like Facebook,
And
LinkedIn,
YouTube, Instagram.
Yes. And you also can enter our website, which is huayilighting.com, to see our artwork we have done.
Yes.
And if you want, we can also guide you guys around
By VR.
Yes, by VR applications.
So you can. Thanks for your watching today. So hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.
Good day, guys. This is Albert, and we are so happy to see you here.
Good day, I am Kimmy. Thank you for watching our live show for the Canton Fair here. Really excited to see you on the net here.
We are the project team, and today we will give you full ideas about our company. And later on, we will go deeply into some of our projects to show you what we are capable of. We might introduce some products here and discuss what is the best application in a project. So let's begin.
We will start from 5 parts. Part 1 about us, Part